My name is Debbie Bruno. I now currently reside in Boca Raton, Florida. Initially, I sent my sister to Dr. Mail for a facelift and a chin implant, and it goes back probably 15 years ago. He did such an amazing job, and I was so thrilled with his work that when my time was going to come, I wanted him as well to do whatever procedures at the time. And I think that probably was about 10 years ago. I started with a tummy tuck and some lipo, and he did my upper eyes. Kim, I think, joined the practice about 9 years ago, and eventually when I started with injections, Kim would take over doing all of that. And so my relationship with Kim has been for 9 years and up to now, and she's amazing. She's absolutely amazing. I've sent a lot of people here for consults and for procedures, and just Monday, my girlfriend from the New York, New Jersey area, who's a nurse midwife, came and had a consult with Dr. Kusuma, and I had an opportunity to sit in and listen and make sure that she didn't forget to ask any questions and also retain some of the information that he gave, because it was just a lot of information to take back with us. So he was amazing and very professional, and from one professional speaking to another professional, her concerns obviously are going to be very different than what I would be led on to know. And he just really blew us both away. He just made it seem like everything was, that no two people are the same. And until he gets in there, there's no real cookie cutter information to give. When he gets in there, it becomes very specific to the individual. And we both walked away feeling the utmost of confidence, and so she probably will be scheduling some procedures later on this year, so I'm very excited for her. When comes time for me to then have something that might be a little bit more involved, I have no problem going and using Dr. Kusuma. I have the utmost confidence in him, realizing that his education, number one, he's very, very bright. He made me feel very confident. The staff in the office they're very professional. They make you feel very confident, comfortable. They don't leave any stone unturned. Put you at ease. Kim is amazing with her injections. You don't even know that she's on your face, poking you. And I've had laser done with her. Everything has always been so easy breezy. And whatever they said after the fact has been. There was no surprises after any procedure. Everybody here is very, very professional and follow through and very thorough with information that they give you before and after. Your appointments are on time. They call you at home to make sure that you're doing well and that everything is on par. I can't say enough. It's just always been a very comfortable, welcoming atmosphere. They become very personally involved. You know, they want to make sure that you're just not a patient coming in here. They go a few steps above and beyond that, and always concerned about you and making sure that whatever you've come in for, that you walk away and satisfied. I've called after a few days of having procedures done, and with concerns, where should I be at this point in this level? Never once has it been anything other than what they've said. They've always followed through and made sure that I was comfortable. And for any reason that I'm not, you're always welcome back in. They take you as soon as possible, and they make sure that your concerns are met. I felt much better about myself after having minor things taken care of, just basic minor things, just to enable to look myself in the mirror and say, you know what, I'm going to really be the best that I could be. And it's, I think, made a difference in the way my self-confidence. So therefore, I feel like I can be a little bit better with people around me and feel more confident. But I think just having an air of confidence, even projecting that even with my own children, just having them see that you can still be the best that you can be. I mean, it's not really, a lot of people think that it's a very narcissistic or superficial thing to do. I don't. I think that it all goes in a package. If you feel confident and you feel good and you look good and you think you look good, you know, you're going to feel better, and therefore you put out just a better vibe. And that's just how I operate. And I think it's very important, especially to have that edge. That air of confidence rolls over into my home with my husband. And again, feeling good and looking good, you just are better. And that's just how I think the nature of the wave of things are. I just feel better about myself, therefore I am better. When you feel like crap when you wake up, then you know that's going to be the progression of the whole day. When you feel good when you wake up and you're doing things to help yourself, and this is the one extra thing, I think you can conquer anything that you put your mind to, and that's just how I feel. And that air of confidence is an attraction for a lot of people. Therefore, I'm able to give that information to my friends, to my family, to acquaintances. I've given their name out and their number to so many people. I have a woman that I work with who already came and saw Dr. Kusuma for a facelift and some other procedures, and she's just thrilled with me. So when you can relate that information to somebody with confidence, they take that confidence and it just helps them. And therefore, you know, we just kind of spread the word, and that's just what we do, and or that's just what I'm doing with coming here. I'm very confident coming here. I'm very comfortable coming here, and I'm able to translate that to other people as well. Somebody will come up to me and say, "What have you done?" And I'll say a little tweak here, a little tweak there. You know, I'm not proud. I don't have to hide anything. I'm very comfortable saying that because you know when somebody's not and they're lying to you. I don't lie. I have no problem. I'm a 56-year-old woman. I just celebrated my 56th birthday. I have a 34-year-old and a 30-year-old girl. I have no problem allowing people into that part of my life and saying, you know what, I couldn't do this alone. You start off little bits and pieces here and there, but you know what, it all comes down to just trying to maintain a healthy lifestyle and being comfortable. You know, I can't be 20 again and I can't be 25, but I could be a good 56. I could be an awesome 56, and that's just where I'm at.